Okay, today we're demonstrating the 7,000 watt instant heating IGNIMBRITE unit. This is made by a different manufacturer from the 5,500 watt one we demonstrated yesterday. Um, the one we demonstrated yesterday is using alloy and copper in its heating chamber, whereas this one is using a stainless steel chamber. So we'll see how it compares. Okay, total electricity we got on this point. 69, today's electricity 0.01. We'll turn it on. Get the water flowing. Starting at 27 degrees. We'll heat him up to 49. We'll start the clock as well. We're currently consuming 7,350 watts. We got a flow rate of 5.7. We'll kick that back because it doesn't seem to want to handle that. All right, we'll just kick that back a bit. Now it's heating up. 45, 46. Our flow rate is 4.4, 4.5. All right, that's really hot. We could turn that down a touch so we can actually add a little bit more pressure to that. See if we can get it up to 5, 4.9, 45. That temperature is perfect. The water pressure is really strong too. We're still consuming 7,350 watts. We've been going for 1.2 minutes, and we'll just let it run. It seems to be consistent with the current. And the water flow is 4.9, 5 litres. So we seem to be getting an extra litre a minute from the 5,500 watt one. It's probably a tad under because it is only 45. Might cut that back a touch, try and get it to 46, 47, where it's really hot. 40, that's going to be super hot. That's too much. Right, that's 4.5 litres a minute. 4.5 litres a minute. And it's maintaining 47 degrees. And the current is fully fixed. It's not even fluctuating at all. 7,350 watts. Now this is running on a solar system, so the sun's taking care of this at the moment. It's probably using the battery a little bit too to make up for that much power. But after about 15 minutes of turning this off, the battery will go back to being full again with the sun we're having today. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. We've used 0.3 of a kilowatt. 48, 47. I should be under that, lapping it up. It's beautiful. So 5 minutes is quite a bit of time. All this time we could have had a shower, so we're wasting all this water, but If you're serious about saving energy and being efficient, these products are amazing. So we actually have a small filter here, filtering the water that's inside, but we should have a bigger one. This filter is a much better way of filtering the water before it goes into these instant heating units. And here we've just got a secondary control valve just to regulate the flow a little bit more nicer and smoother, and a shower hose straight to the output to the shower head. And this one's hardwired, so we have a solid connection here, and we have a dual pole cut off here for it, which is essential for safety. And that's it. Quite simple. All right, so we're just on 5 minutes. So yesterday's test, looking through the video, it was just over 5 minutes. So we'll stop that right here. Turn it off. Shut our water off. Switch the breaker off. Right, so we used exactly half a kilo. 5 minutes, 20 seconds.